If you have good to excellent credit and are looking for a personal loan in Texas, this is the video for you. We track over 40 different companies that lend in Texas. I'm going to walk you through your best options so you can make sure you're getting the best deal that you deserve given your strong credit history. First, a quick caveat. Because you have good to excellent credit, your credit score and credit history will not be the thing that holds you back from being approved. But that doesn't automatically mean that you will be approved for the loan that you want from every company that you apply with. Your application may well hinge on the amount or stability of your income or your debt to income ratio. That's why shopping around is so crucial. You really ought to get 3 approved offers in hand before you accept a loan. It really is the only way to be sure you're getting the deal you deserve. There are nearly 400 credit unions in Texas alone. If you are a current member of a credit union, they are not a bad place to start to look for a personal loan. Not all of them offer personal loans, and frankly, credit unions do not always have the lowest interest rate for people with excellent credit. Credit unions rarely have origination fees, but it's not uncommon for them to charge substantial late fees. Of course, you need to be a member of a credit union to borrow. If you aren't a member right now, you can become a member when you apply for a personal loan, but it may be harder to get approved if you don't have an existing relationship with them. And some credit unions have rules for membership that you might not meet. Credit unions also offer several different kinds of loans, like savings secured, home equity, and even lines of credit. These are some of the largest credit unions who operate in Texas. Banks are another good place to look for personal loans if you have good to excellent credit, but not all banks offer personal loans. In fact, it's kind of surprising how many simply don't. You should check with the organization you bank with, but you should definitely not assume that they will give you the best offer. Some of the biggest retail banks in the country don't offer personal loans, so you might need to turn to a smaller bank. Frost Bank, which exclusively serves Texas, offers fairly low standard APRs for loans between $2,000 and $25,000. But that low APR is not even the lowest APR that you can get with any other lender. There are several online lenders that offer personal loans with competitive rates. Since most of their business is lending, they are more likely to serve a wider segment of people. That means that they will have a higher top APR than most credit unions and banks, but their lowest APR will be competitive. So if you have good credit and decent income, it's possible that they will give you the best offer. Here are some of the best online lenders for people with good to excellent credit. I just threw a lot of different lenders at you. It might feel like too much to distill down into the 1 or 2 lenders that you might want to work with. And frankly, a lot of lenders bank on that attitude. As someone with excellent credit, you are likely to get approved almost anywhere you go. It could be awfully tempting to just go with the first loan you come across, and you probably won't be doing too badly if you did that. But that doesn't mean that you'll get the best deal that you could get. That's why shopping around is so important. Yet, who wants to spend a bunch of time applying for loans? That's not my hobby, I can assure you of that. At the Yukon Project, we've tried to make shopping around especially easy for people with good to excellent credit. If you go to our lending marketplace page, you can select the purpose of your loan, how much you need, and your credit score. When you apply to one of our featured lenders, we will check your rate with up to 40 other lenders behind the scenes. Our partners use a soft credit check, so applying won't hurt your credit. We will also show you all of your approvals, so you can have confidence that you're getting the best deal that you can in your situation. If you found this information helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us out, and we appreciate it. Thanks for watching.